In this lesson, we will edit a short recorded macro, the one you can see on the screen right now. This is a perfect example of how Excel captures our actions, step by step, recording every click, every selection, and every change. Our goal is to transform this raw, recorded code into a clean, readable, and far more efficient version. Let's start by looking at what the recorder actually created. In the first lines, we can see that the macro selects cell A1 and then writes text into it using the active cell reference. This approach works, but it is completely unnecessary. We can assign a value directly to a range without selecting anything. So let's begin by simplifying those first two lines. Instead of selecting A1 and writing into the active cell, we can write directly to the range using the .value property. This makes the code cleaner, faster, and independent of the user's current selection. Here, the original word text has been replaced with hello, but of course, this can be any value you want to place in the cell. Now let's move on to formatting. The macro recorder generates very long formatting blocks that contain many properties we simply don't need. Our job is to reduce this to the essentials, only the properties we actually want to change. As you can see, we're only changing two things: the font color and the fact that the text should be bold. Everything else recorded by the macro recorder was unnecessary. Next, we format the cell interior, and again, this can be done without any selections or redundant parameters. That's it. No selections, no selection object, no active cell dependence, no excess code. After these changes, our macro becomes shorter, clearer, and, most importantly, much more reliable, because it no longer depends on whatever happens to be selected in the worksheet.